Hello, Calabasas. This is Jennifer Phelps. I am so happy to have met so many of you last week. I'm finally home in my office after a beautiful time in Calabasas and a beautiful time just meandering my way back home on a little vacation for me. For those of you who I have not met yet, I think Julie has something up her sleeve for January 20th, so stay tuned. I think she's going to fill us all in soon. And so regarding my raffle winners, I am really excited about that. So at the event at the A&E last week, Lori Ann Hennessy won the eWomen Network raffle prize of a consultation with me. And for all of you who entered my raffle at the table raffle, randomly selected out of all of you, Toby Terry is the winner of my table raffle. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited to have the consultations with both of you, and I'm looking forward to setting up times for our little discovery calls with all of the rest of you who wanted to speak with me. I'm excited. I appreciate your time and attention while I was there, and I really look forward to building relationships with all of you moving forward. Thanks again, and Julie, you're a rock star, and I can't wait to see everybody on January 20th. Bye.